Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Today's word is a simple but very useful one, both. It's an A1 level pronoun meaning the two together. So, what does both actually mean? Well, both refers to two things or people considered together. Think of it as a way of saying this one and that one together. You use both when you want to include two distinct items or people as a group. Now, let's talk about some words that are similar to both. We could use the two, as in I like the two of you, or look at the two cars. Another synonym would be each of two. For example, each of two students received an award. We don't have any true antonyms in this case, because both indicates a state of togetherness, and antonyms would indicate separateness. However, if we really wanted to think in an opposite way, we might think about things like one or either. For example, you might say, I don't like either of them if you want to show you're not talking about them together. Or, I only want one of them if you want to highlight you are not talking about the two together. How can we use both in our daily life? Well, it's everywhere. You might say, I want both the apple and the banana. Or, both my parents are teachers. You could also say, both of them are going to the park at 3 p.m. Or if you have two options, you might say, you can have both of these cookies. Let's look at some phrases using both. Both of my siblings play sports. Or, I like both of those shirts you're wearing. And here's another, can you bring both books, please? To summarize, both means the two things or people together. We've explored some similar words, talked about its use in everyday conversation, and seen how it can be used in sentences. So, that's both for today. Thanks so much for listening to Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support really helps others find the show. And before you go, I encourage you to create your own sentence about both and share it as a comment below. I can't wait to read them. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of words.